Now we want to actually look at structures of alkanes and name them. And we want to recall the rules that we've gone over to make sure that we get the correct naming nomenclature. So when we look at A here, we want to count how many carbons that we have. We have 4. So that means that this one right here is going to be butane. Now remember, you can use the N-butane because that would indicate which carbon has the chain coming off of it. If you just wrote butane on an exam, I would be okay with that. Now remember, here for B, we've got this long thing, but there's something hanging off of it. So we need to find the longest chain, so we could count. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I need this one right here to have the smallest number. So if I go from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 5. And if I go from right to left, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be our number 4, where our chain's hanging off. So now the question is, what is that chain? Well, how many carbons do we have? 1, 2, 3. And 3 is pro. So this is going to be, there's 8 of them, so this is going to be 4 propyloctane. Now in C, when we look at it, we want to find the longest chain. So I'm counting through, I get 1, 2, 3, nope, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know we have 6, which is hexane. Now we want to find the 2 that have the numbers, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 1, 2, 3, so the 2 is smaller. Now, what is coming off of the 2? Well, it is just 1, so this is a methyl. And the 4 has 2, so this is an ethyl. Now, remember when you have two numbers, what you're going to do is whichever one has the first letter in the alphabet. So the E comes before the M. So this will be 4-ethyl, 2-methyl, and then we have that it's hexane. So since this one's really complicated, you may want to go back, pause, and rework through this one to make sure you understand it. Now we're looking at D. We're going to find the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the longest chain, which is butane. Now we need to find out what's coming off where. Well, this is a 2 and this is a 3. But we notice for the 2 there's a one on top and there's a substituent on the bottom. And for 3 we also have one on top and one on the bottom. So with just one coming off, we know that is a methyl group. So what we need to do is we need to label how many methyls and where they're at. Well, there's 2 at 2, so we have 2, 2, and there's 2 at 3, so 3, 3. Now, if there's 4 of them, remember that's going to be tetra, that's your prefix for 4, methyl, butane.